Hi, Jeff West with you. In our video series, I've been taking you through the step-by-step process that Burg and I share in our sales parable, Streetwise to Saleswise, become objection-proof and beat the sales blues. The story is set in New Orleans with music and food everywhere. I think you'll really enjoy the story. But the step-by-step process where you can become objection-proof is pretty simple. Step one in becoming objection-proof is to control your own emotions. Remember that if you get an objection, you're going to have a collision point. Hopefully it's mild, but you'll have a negative emotional response combining with the logic part of your brain. When that happens, don't react based on how that somatic marker makes you feel. Instead, control your own emotions and move to the next step. Step two is to empathize. Let your prospect know that it's okay that they have that concern, and it's certainly something worth considering, and you'll help them do that. The next step, step three, was to dig a little deeper. Ask questions to make sure, number one, that you're getting down to the true objection, but number two, so that you're getting their perspective. You want to understand their point of view, not just debate it. You want to understand it so that you can help them possibly shift that. Step four is to isolate and reframe the issue. When you isolate the issue, you simply ask them, other than this, do you see any other reason we wouldn't be able to move forward? You want to make sure if there are other concerns that you get them out on the table. Then reframe the issue. And when you do, remember what we talked about on the last video about giving them a back door, giving them an out. Say something like, though I've been fortunate to help many clients with this exact situation, I realize this may or may not be the right solution for you, and that's okay. Oddly enough, the more of a back door or the more of an out that you give them, the less likely they are to take it. Then shift their perspective, reframe the issue. They're looking at the world through this window that's focused on what they think might be a problem. Your job is to say, do you mind if I show you slightly a different view? And then you just shift that perspective and you present why your solution works and why it's the right answer for that objection. That's enough for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.